Meaning of East Indian.
East Indian.
East Indian.
East Indian.
East Indian. The term East Indian can have different meanings depending on the context. In a historical and colonial context, it was used to refer to people or products from the East Indies, an area that comprised present-day Indonesia, Malaysia, and surrounding islands. In a contemporary context, East Indian may refer to people or culture originating from India or South Asia. It is important to note that this term can be seen as outdated or even offensive in some contexts, particularly when used to refer to Native Americans who were mistakenly called Indians by European explorers.